Students, now we will learn about study of cells. You know that all organisms are made up of small units called cells. As are the bricks to a building, so are the cells to the body of an organism. You have already learned that organisms may be unicellular or multicellular. Now, classify the following into unicellular and multicellular organisms.
Cell is the basic unit of an organism. The figure shows bone cell, bone tissue, bone, skeletal system, wolf.
Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke was an English naturalist. He designed a microscope and examined a thin section of a piece of dried cork under it. He saw honeycomb-like structures in it. He called them cells. M.J. Schleiden and Theodor Schwann. Schleiden, a German botanist, and Schwann, a German zoologist, together put forth the cell theory in 1839. According to them, cell theory states that the body of living organisms is formed of one or more cells. All the cells arise only from pre-existing cells through cell division. Look at the figure and observe the cells of various shapes. A nerve cell is long and has branched fiber-like structures. A nerve cell carries messages from one part of the body to another. A red blood cell is biconcave and round in shape. It transports oxygen to different parts of the body. The cell and its components can be observed clearly with the help of an electron microscope. Electron microscope uses a beam of electrons to get the image of the object. Its magnification is about 2 lakh times as against the compound microscope, which magnifies objects up to 2000 times. Observe the eyepiece in the compound microscope. An eyepiece lens is the one through which we see. Take a piece of a layer from an onion. Remove a thin epidermal layer from this piece. Put a drop of iodine or any suitable staining solution on this piece. Observe the slide under a microscope with the guidance of your teacher. Under a microscope, you will see the cells. Any cell, when observed under a compound microscope, shows 3 prominent parts. They are cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. A cell is surrounded by a cell membrane. It is also called plasma membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum. Have a look at the picture of endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of branching tubules. It extends from the cell membrane to the nuclear membrane. It also lies scattered in the cytoplasm. Mitochondrion. Now have a look at the picture of mitochondrion. Mitochondria occurs in various shapes such as cylindrical, spherical, oval, and rod-shaped. Each mitochondrion is bound by a double membrane. Outer membrane is smooth but inner one is folded. Folds are called cristae. Inner membrane encloses a fluid known as matrix. Golgi Complex. Now observe the picture of Golgi Complex. It consists of flat discs with expanded ends. The main function of Golgi complex is to secrete chemicals required for cellular activities. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are usually found in an animal cell. They are spherical, sac-like organelles. Plastids. Plastids are found only in plant cells. Each chloroplast is covered by a double membrane. The inner membrane encloses matrix, stroma and grana. Nucleus. Nucleus is covered by a double membrane called nuclear membrane. Nucleoplasm has a network of thread-like structures called chromatin. During cell division, chromatin undergoes coiling and supercoiling and becomes short and thick to form chromosomes.
Here is the table of chromosome numbers per cell in some organisms. In organism roundworm, chromosome number is 2, and in onion, the chromosome number is 16. In cat, the chromosome number is 38. In mango, the chromosome number is 40. In monkey, chromosome number is 54. In dog, chromosome number is 78.
Look at the structure other than chromatin in the nucleus. Nucleus also has a dense spherical body called nucleolus. Nucleolus is not covered by a membrane. Nucleolus forms ribosomes. Nucleus coordinates the activities of the cell.